My line of business has been running for 25 years in experience of integrating and isolating COTS into a shipboard environment for large cabinets and display consoles. Our design and development approach has helped to mitigate risk to rapidly deploy combat systems in an operational environment. We routinely design and develop systems that have full COTS payload solutions that support forward fit and back fit applications. This is the mission critical enclosure, or MCE, and it's been utilized on Navy surface ships for the last 20 years to provide hotel services for commercial off-the-shelf or COTS hardware. This model provides 4 kW of power and cooling and also has a 650-pound payload capacity to support any type of processing, storage, or computing equipment that helps the Navy. We're actually developing right now the MCE version 2. What that does is it's going to allow the government in this new technology environment where processing, storage requires more power, more GPUs. It provides them more payload capacity, and the MC2 is going to right now estimate at 1,000-pound payload capacity, meaning that they can put more equipment in to do what they need to do. And it also provides 15 kW of power and cooling, where the old MC only provided 4 kW. Combat systems, weapons, and sensors are being designed to be more capable and therefore require additional computing to be able to collect and process all that data that's flowing through this cabinet. Our advanced packaging solution, like the MCE2, allows for a modular building block solution. So you can take pieces out, put them in. It can be more modular. It's easy. It can be deployed more rapidly, right? And it supports a continuous integration, continuous development, deployment of the integrated combat system.